Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through an interesting topic, and the topic is Shopify free trial, and your path to e-commerce success starts here. So I will give you a quick tutorial how you can start your journey with Shopify. First of all, when you will come to shopify.com, you will get this kind of an interface. You just need to be go over here, start for free. Like here you can see dream big, build fast and grow far on Shopify. Just click over here and you just need to be create your account over that place. So I will search for the Gmail account. We need this one because I will get verification code over that place. So I will enter to the Gmail, and then here you can see this is the Gmail address we have. So here I will go over here and sign up with the email. So here actually you can see a headline that is start your free trial, and that get 3 days free and then 3 months for $1 per month. So they given so much great opportunity which help you to identify your business growth and business insist. So I will click over here, sign up with email, and then here I will paste the password. Then I need a password over here, so I will provide the password here. Just once you paste the email, then here you just need to be paste your password over that place, choose your own. So I will choose my own password here. So I already provide a password, and you can see password string is quite good, so you can optionally lengthen it to make it stronger. So I will just click over here, create Shopify account. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes to create an account, and you can save the address. So here you can choose your plan for you, but I always suggest you to go with the free trial version first, then you can move to your premium plan. And because you have the opportunity for the 3 months to purchase only $1 per month, so it is a great options to see the result of your business. So now I will reset later. Once I did it, then here you can skip the customer setup right now, or you can go with your plan. Like, where would you like to sell? I would like to sell with online store. Then click to the next, and then is this shop for new or existing business? I will go with the new, and then click to the next, and then what do you plan to sell? Products I buy or mix myself, or you can go with the mix drop shipping. Then this one you can select digital product, or you can select all of them. Just click to the next, and then eventually your account creation already been done. So here you can see we already get an verification email. We just need to verify that. So I will click over here, and our Shopify account already been verified. That's really great. Now I will back to here, and here you can see 3 days left in your trial. So just now you just need to be exploring one by one, order panel, then product sections, then customer sections, marketing sections, discount section, and all of them. Here you can see you can install apps from this Shopify app store. Like here you will get this app store. Then if you want to change the theme, you just need to go over here, sales channel. Underneath the sales channel you will find out the themes. Here you just need to be install any of the theme you want. You can explore furthermore. There is a theme store also, and here actually you can see the main thing is your online store is password protector. To remove the password, you just need to pick a plan. Just click over here, and you just need to pick a plan. Then anyone can visit your website anytime. So right now in these 3 days you can work on this platform, but it is not visible for audiences or your subscribers. So I hope understand how easy the process was, and if you want to know furthermore, you can comment me on the comment box. And the next thing I'm going to discuss on customizations. Like if you want to customize your theme, here you just need to visit on themes, and then you will get this customize option. Just click over here, and now eventually they will redirect you to the editing panel, where you can easily customize your all these necessary things. Here you can add sections, you can add blogs, you can add any of thing you want. So let's wrap up the video here. I hope you understand how easy the process was. This is the Shopify free trial version. Your path to e-commerce success starts here. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.